Axel the Truck, and I Can Read shared my first reading book. Story by J.D. Riley. Axel is a red truck. Axel has big, big wheels. Today is race day, Axel says. Axel's big tires spin fast. Zip, zip, zoom. Axel's pal Rex rides along. Yahoo! Axel yells. Ah-woo! Rex howls. Axel heads for the fair. The truck race is there. The racetrack is loud. There are tractors. Chugga, chugga, chugga. There are hot rods. Roar, roar, roar. Axel finds the trucks. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The trucks bounce their tires. Thump, thump, thump. The trucks are ready to roll. Axel is number 5. His engine roars. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The starter lifts the flag. Get ready. Get set. Go! The speed is super fast. Rex howls at the trucks they pass. Axel is in 3rd place. Zip, zip, zoom. Axel is in 2nd place. Go, Axel, go! Axel's big tires spin faster. Axel is in 1st place. Yahoo! Axel yells. Axel wins. Awoo! Rex howls. The trucks blast their horns. Honk, honk, beep, beep. Axel waves a big blue ribbon. Vroom, vroom. That was monster fun. Axel the Truck, and I Can Read shared my first reading book.